Hello friends, I hope you are all doing well. This is my favorite breakfast. Whenever we do make it over to the farmers markets on Sundays, I stock up on all of the goods. So I will get like pluots, which is basically a plum apricot hybrid. Trader Joe's calls them plum cots, but same thing. My favorite part is this fresh coconut milk at the farmers market. It's absolutely insane. Literally just coconuts and filtered water. So fresh. It tastes like melted ice cream. It's the best thing ever. So I will just pour some of that over top and then some cinnamon. I just stirred it, so it looks a little questionable.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
But I promise you, it's the most delicious thing ever. Alex and I actually need to run to the store right now because we are out of literally all of the essentials, like cleaning essentials, adulting things, all of the really fun things that you just love to spend your money on. Cleaning supplies, like yes. But like we can totally still look cute while we're running errands. So let's do a little fit check. My entire outfit is actually from today's sponsor, which is Nordstrom. You guys, I'm so excited. Like who doesn't love Nordstrom? I honestly cannot name a single person. Kate Sanders can come after me because Lizzie McGuire, you are an outfit repeater. With this look, I have been wearing this, repeating it nonstop because it's just so freaking cute. I am just like geeking out right now because I love Nordstrom so much. My entire fit is actually from the Nordstrom BP line, which you may be familiar with, but they are super known for their basics and trendy pieces, really affordable as well. A lot of their items are under $100 each and they're super size inclusive. They go from XXXS to 4X. So we stand. So let's break down this fit because it's so cute. So this is actually considered a bandeau bra top and you can wear it in so many different ways, which is why I love it. I feel like my closet was really lacking something like this. It's just a nice elevated basic, as I like to call it. Hopefully you can see in the close up, but it's actually got this really nice rib texture, which just adds a little nice element to it. The straps are also adjustable, which is amazing. I cannot tell you like how much I appreciate that just with tops like these. I feel like I always struggle with, so definitely made those a little bit tighter and they kind of give me that like suspenders vibe, if you know what I mean. It also has removable pads, so in case you're into that, you can keep them in. If you're not into it, take them right out, we're good to go. I've been wearing it with jackets like these, oversized blazers, even just like oversized boyfriend style button downs. And I feel like you could also just like wear this with leggings and it'd be really cute. And it's literally $25. But both the bandeau top and this jacket are actually from the BP Wild Fang collection. So they have really cool, like more edgy pieces. But this is their patent faux leather jacket. I am so obsessed with this jacket. I feel like all of the kind of like leather style jackets that I had are just not as shiny. And this is just such a fun little pop to an outfit. Kind of also has a pebbled texture to it as well. I sized up a couple sizes in the jacket just so that it would have more of like a relaxed fit as opposed to a little bit more structured. And also, if I remember correctly, there was a matching skirt situation, which would be such a vibe. And last but not least, these carpenter pants. Oh, these carpenter pants need a moment of silence. I actually posted these on my Instagram a couple times, but like run, do not walk to the description box to like get these pants because I'm telling you, Ollie knows, he knows the tea. I don't know guys, I've been really into like pants like these lately, cargos and carpenter pants. I feel like I first of all would never have pictured myself wearing something like this in the past, but I'm telling you, once you try it, it's way too comfy. This is such a fun like little switch up from my normal denim jeans. And I feel like it goes with my wardrobe more because it's obviously neutral. And the blue sometimes just throws me off. Such a nice change of pace. There's also this front seam detail on here, which I think is so fun. There's also these big pockets. I'm getting so much wear out of these and these are literally under $50. But honestly, they're like the perfect length to wear with boots or Converse. I mean, I just love this outfit. I think it's so cute. I might need to like shoot it today or sometime this week because I feel like she needs a moment in the feed. Ollie, you're supposed to be my hype man. Thank you again, Nordstrom, for partnering with me on this portion of the video. And definitely go check out their BP collection, you guys, because they have so many cute pieces. Forgot my camera, but we're at Target. I'm ready. We have so many things to get. How many things are we gonna get that were not 15 on our initial list?
The 20.
Additional?
No, I've been...
Like you're gonna get candles and shit. Yeah. Why are they so big? That's massive. No coffee pots that we like, so I have to order one instead. Spotted in the candle aisle.
I feel like these weren't very good though.
I feel like they didn't have a good set throw. It's been real Target. back home, got the goods. I basically, well, we just stocked up on like cleaning stuff, but if you want my little haul, got some more of my favorite press-on nails, but they only have like this square shape, natural shape, which is actually fine. Picked up their brush-on glue. I don't know if this is like any better, but I figured I would try this one out. Editing Caitlin coming in to tell you, no, it sucks. Don't get it. Don't waste your money. Don't even think about it. No. Got some more of my mascara, and then I also picked up this concealer so that I can contour with it. Everything else is cleaning supplies, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Cleaning supplies. Racked up a nice bill of like $250, which I actually thought it was gonna be worse. I did think it was gonna be worse. I'm gonna take this off. First on my agenda today, I need to film one TikTok. I already filmed one over the weekend for Book of the Month, but I'm doing another. So many bugs I've been having. It's actually a pretty good setup for filming. Like the lighting is perfect right now. Ta-da! Books are flying everywhere. I seriously need like a bookshelf though, because I don't know where to put all these. Speaking of not knowing where to put things, I was watching, I can't remember the name, but I was watching a YouTube video the other day about like an interior design channel and like decorating and stuff, and it just, whenever I watch those channels, it always inspires me to like actually make some moves on my environment. Watching that YouTube video, he was talking about like just everything, just keep in mind when you're going through stuff that everything should have a place. And I feel like if it doesn't have a place, if I'm like shoving things into corners, then maybe that's a good indication that I just like don't value that thing, and like maybe I just shouldn't have that to begin with. So I'm like looking around my room right now and I have things everywhere. I had just cleaned it like 2 days ago. I swear, I literally was just cleaning this like 2 days ago. My room was almost spotless, and now there's a million things on my desk. I have books galore over here. Literally Ollie's, one of Ollie's beds, but I had to put it over here just because I needed to film over there. It's just stressing me out, and now that it's the beginning of November, I love using a new month as an excuse to have like a new beginning and just to clear my space, clear my head, because they always say your surroundings is like a good indication of what's going on in your head. So I figured like today would be a really good day to cleanse my space, find a place for things, and if I don't, maybe like start getting rid of some things. There's also a lot of miscellaneous things in my room like this. Just don't want these plants in here. They weren't even originally supposed to be in here, but we just didn't have any other room that like got enough light. They're not even thriving in here, which is weird because they get a lot of light, but it's not working. And I just don't want the green in here, which sounds so bad, but I just have a very particular thing in mind for how I want my home office to look. And I'm filming in here constantly and like doing content, and I need to optimize the space to make it like every corner usable to create content. There's so many things that I move around constantly whenever I'm like getting ready to film and stuff, getting things out of the frame. And I'm like, why don't I just make this room, like I just need to move the furniture around so that I can get it to a place that I like it, and then good like photo spots and filming spots that I feel good about, that I can just keep it as it is without having to move it around. So I think what I'm first gonna do is do a quick little pickup, like put things away, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I think I need Alex's help to like move some furniture around, because like I could not move. This mirror is so heavy. But I do plan on filming like an entire either video or series redecorating, like filming, documenting this whole revamp transformation process. So I do need to start on that like ASAP, but I just wanted to chat about it because it kind of goes along with just starting this new month. And I mean, we only have 2 months left of the year, which is absolutely crazy and stressful. And also let me know if you'd want like a series on my home office, or if you just want like one big video compiling like the entire transformation process. So let me know below. But because it's the beginning of the new month, I'm gonna use today to pick up everything off the floor right now so that I can at least set my November goals in like a clear space, because obviously if I'm like sitting down at my desk trying to focus on my goals and my plans for the rest of the year, honestly, I just like will focus on all of the mess and the cluttering, be stressed, and that's just not the vibe that we want to put out. So feel free to do this with me. If your place is an absolute disaster, let's start off the month on a good note. Anyone else's dogs get so scared when they're vacuuming. Ollie hates it. She took away all of my youth now. Phase 1 complete. Ta-da! I made it look so much better. Come on. Are those my feet in the mirror? Got the stuff off of my desk for the most part. Well, as I show like a million things on my desk. But I just got my candle, my limoncello LaCroix. a book that I need to start. This is the one that I actually talked about in my fall reading list video that the author sent me, and it came like the next day, of course, after I posted that video, but I'm seriously dying. This book comes out in March, but I got it right here, baby. Going to dive into this like ASAP, probably after I finish Final Girls, because that's the one that I'm reading right now. Like, as for the floor, we're looking so much better. I feel cleansed. I feel good. How is it already getting dark on me? Like, I'm not, no. Don't love it. Look at you. You look so tiny. You look so little. Hi. My little boy. Damn it! I have been doing this like I probably for the third or fourth time this week alone. I don't know like why I can't just like get it through my head right now, but I have this outlet by my window, and if I plug two things in, it blows the fuse in my office. So just did it again. I gotta move that freaking mirror. Just wanted to charge my battery, okay? Let's see. Well, still not working. Okay, fitting, well, it's gonna work. Woo! Ow. Whew. Anyway. Normally I do this in like my boss clothes, like feeling good, but you know, I'm just like cold right now, so sweatpants it is. But I have my self-reflections notebook out here. This is the one that I use for like manifestations only and reflecting goal setting. I've showed this before. But yeah, I'm just gonna write out my November manifestation. So I'm gonna title that at the top just so that I can keep everything organized. Also, if you do this, I just think it's really great to set up your space. And obviously I cleaned my office earlier, so like definitely do this in a space that you feel good in. I have my candle going, beverages. I'm gonna put on some music because I always do that. And then I have my crystals, hello. Don't judge me. I love having like super calming, happy music playing while I'm doing this so that I can just get in the vibe. I need to stop singing that song, oh my god. Do that, put on your music, put on your playlist, whatever it is. I will link my Raise Your Vibe playlist below if you want to check that one out. But basically I'll just categorize them by career, and that can encompass anything from like clients you want to work with or numbers you want to hit, finances, all of that stuff. I also like to do health goals, health and fitness. And then you can also write down like personal goals as well. Writing down my goals. I have basically the career, health, YouTube, and personal, even though like YouTube goes with career obviously, but I was kind of focusing it on a different sector and other areas, and then I realized it was like getting too long, so I just made a separate YouTube one just to kind of like write down ideas that I've been wanting to do and kind of like putting off or just like haven't think about too late. So I wrote those down, like my curly hair update. And then I wrote down some personal goals. I also have read 5 books this month minimum because I need to hit my reading goal because I'm so close yet so far. And I really want to read 52 books at least this year, so need to do that. And yeah, I have like my health goals. I really want to get using my class pass a lot more. I just signed up for a class as I was writing that down so I could hold myself accountable. So pre-scheduling workouts, I feel like definitely is the way to go, at least for me, because then when the day comes, it's either like the times I want are booked out or else I just, do I really want to do it? Feeling really good about that. I feel like I did nothing on the vlog today because I was filming other videos. So when I do that, it just makes it like the day goes by so fast and then I have like nothing to show you for it because I filmed other videos. So I am so sorry, but I hope this inspires you to do the same. Comment below a goal or manifestation that you have for November. I promise I will get better at vlogging. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!